They say that breaking a mirror is like shattering your fate. 7 years of bad luck, they warn, a curse woven into the very fabric of our existence. But where does this belief come from? Ancient civilizations revered mirrors as portals to the soul, reflections of our true selves. To break one was to invite chaos, a fracture in the delicate balance of life. In the realm of superstitions, mirrors hold a power that transcends mere glass. The shards left behind are not just remnants, they are fragments of fortune, scattered and lost. Some cultures even believe that the broken pieces harbor trapped spirits, waiting to unleash their mischief upon the unwary. So, the next time you hear that ominous crack, remember, it's not just a mirror that's broken, but perhaps a piece of your destiny too. Embrace the mystery, but tread carefully, for luck is a fickle companion.